Can you crossplay Ark Survival Ascended PS5 and Xbox? Ark Survival Ascended is finally coming out for PS5. It has been available on Steam and Xbox, but now Sony players get to join in on the fun. And some extra good news is the crossplay status for Ark Survival Ascended. Not only can Xbox and PS5 players can journey together, but the cross-platform gameplay also allows console players to use mods. Unfortunately though, PvP is temporarily not available between all three systems, thanks to a recent update for PC users. The release date and time countdown for when ASA will come out on PS5 is imminent. It costs $44.99 and it's available to download from the PSN store for PS5 only. Now, as for Microsoft, it is not on Xbox Game Pass despite Ark 2 joining the subscription service on day 1 when it eventually releases. There is still no launch day for Ark 2, but its release date has been delayed to the end of 2024. So is Ark Survival Ascended crossplay between PS5 and Xbox? Yes, Ark Survival Ascended is crossplay between PS5 and Xbox. This means Xbox and PS5 users can team together to fell dinosaurs or fight one another to death. As for how many players, the Microsoft Store says 1 to 70. It also says you can enjoy 2 to 4 online co-op and 2-player local co-op. In regard to what the game is, it is not a sequel to ASE, nor is it simply a remake. Per the Xbox partner review, ASA is instead a reimagining that uses Unreal Engine 5. Everything is completely rebuilt from the ground up, and players will discover new features such as completely overhauled AI and new chaos physics system for damage. And that is the Can You Crossplay Ark Survival Ascended PS5 and Xbox.